In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Writecream and Smartlead, two powerful tools for content creation and lead generation. For your convenience, the links to both Writecream and Smartlead are in the description below so you can try them out. Writecream offers AI-powered content generation, grammar checking, and plagiarism detection, making it ideal for bloggers and content creators. Smartlead, on the other hand, focuses on lead generation with tools for capturing leads and managing campaigns. Writecream offers a free plan with limited features. Smartlead charges $34 per month. Writecream is best suited for individuals and businesses looking to improve their content creation process, while Smartlead is more geared towards marketers and sales teams looking to generate and manage leads effectively. In conclusion, both Writecream and Smartlead offer unique features and benefits for their users. Depending on your specific needs and goals, either tool could be a valuable addition to your toolkit. Click the link in the description to try Writecream and Smartlead for free.